everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys, one, how to make a fried egg, and then two, how to make a Yorkie fried egg without you actually flipping the egg. So yeah, this is the way I make them. I make sure that my oil is a little bit hot, and you make sure that you put a little bit of oil more than usual. I don't know if you can see it, guys, in the pan, that there is a little bit of oil, not too much, but then you have to have enough oil so that you'll be able to flip it on top of the egg like I'm doing. So you just keep flipping the oil on top of the egg until the desired, the desired amount of cooking that you want. Some people prefer their egg well cooked, some prefer it medium, some prefer it like so Yorkie. So I didn't know how to make this egg, so it's my mother-in-law who actually taught me this. When I used to go there, she'll be making this eggs for me, because sometimes I love Yorkie eggs, and I'll be like, Mom, how do you make it? So she was like, let me teach you. So this is the way that she taught me. If you know any other way, guys, let me know in the comment section. But I find this like really easy, really simple. So you'll be just putting oil on top of the egg until it is cooked the way you want it to be cooked. I know some people are gonna be like, oh, it's just an egg. I didn't know how to make this. Like honestly, I didn't know. I was just making the well fried when the well cooked, and this was like such a lifesaver because my other half loves this, so I always make this one for him. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Until it's all cooked, you're gonna enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section if you find this really helpful, and don't forget to give this video a love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new as well, guys. If you're new, my name is Lisa Breakerton. I do like cleaning and motivational videos. I do motherhood videos, but then here and there I drop like meal ideas, meal preparation ideas and stuff like that. So yeah, don't be alarmed if you see like there's a cooking video. Sometimes I just love to share my little recipes. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for staying here. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.